Hi, and welcome to my second video for Practices for the Egg Tempera Artist, my 12-part video series. Today we'll be focusing on making egg solution for egg tempera paint. I hope you enjoy the video. Here I am at the sink. Take an egg, crack it, rinse with tempered water to remove any egg white. Then pat dry on a paper towel, removing excess egg white. Hover egg yolk over a shot glass, then pierce the sac with a sharp tool, removing yolk from the sac. Let it drain. Take your distilled water and add 1 tablespoon. Stir to avoid whipping to not induce air. Using a folded cheesecloth, place over a large shot glass or vessel and strain the egg and water solution. Transfer solution into a preferred make and mold bottle. You now have 1 ounce of egg emulsion ready to use with dry pigments to make paint.